Y'all like my hair? I think I look really good in this wig. Like, are you feeling it? Because I'm feeling it. Okay? Stuff where? Stuff over there and over there. But okay, so what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Naturally Ann. Say no. Okay. Hey guys, it's Naturally Ann. I think I'm more so of the first thing that I just did, but whatever. It's Naturally Ann here, and I'm back with another video. And this one is a little bit different. Actually, it's a lot. Actually, it's a lot a bit different because one, I am wearing this funky wig. And two, I'm kind of telling a story. So, this is the story of the performance that I had last Monday. So, my friend's cousin asked us to be his background dancers for a performance at a club called the Woodward. It's in Detroit, Michigan, in the downtown area. And it's a gay bar, gay club. I don't know. I think it's more of a bar than a club. I don't really go out very much, but you know, clubs are big. Bars are relatively small. This is a relatively small place, and they have, you know, people come and perform, I guess. You know, this was the battle of the male entertainers. So I was dancing with Chico. What's poppin'? But yeah, it was my friends from my dance team. Well, not my dance team, but the dance team I was a part of at Central Michigan University. Shout out Rampage. I don't know what to throw up, but shout out to y'all. So yeah, we danced at this place, and to prepare for it, we literally was in the studio practicing, rehearsing, choreographing, planning. Like, our outfits were made by Chico, Dion. The choreo was made up by us, like the dancers. Like, we really worked really pretty hard on this. And yeah, it came to the night of the show, and we were there, we were watching, we were waiting, people were lip singing. So the battle of the male entertainers is basically the guys, you know, they dress up, they get they little outfits or whatever, you know, whatever you want to do, you come up and you lip sing, or you real sing if you want to, I guess, because there was this one guy who was really singing, and he was singing one of his songs, I think. So, you know, it was really cool, a chance to have some fun, nice little friendly competition, whoop-de-whoop. Excuse me. So we're there, we're waiting, we're watching. We were supposed to dance around midnight to 1 o'clock. We did not dance until literally like 2:12 a.m. Remind you, this is on a Monday night. Remind you, we all have jobs, and remind you, we all work in the morning. Fortunately enough for myself, I didn't have to work the next day because God was looking out for your mans, to be honest. But anyway, so we getting ready. We got our, you know, we got our clothes on. We ready, y'all. We ready. We hear the competition out there. He's going, singing some Luther Vandross, and you know, he only lip singing. So how much could he really have been doing out there? You know, it's Luther Vandross. I don't think I've seen Luther Vandross dance. Have you? So yeah, we're waiting. So then it was like, all right, boom, clap it up, give it up for him, blah blah blah. Instantly starts playing our music. Bruh, we not even out here yet. How you just gonna start playing the music? So Dion runs out as soon as he hears the music. We're dancing to Remember the Time, hence my wig, because this is what we wore. Remember the time when we fell in love to you. Remember the time. So he walks out, and you know, he's doing his thing, because we had to come out too. We had to see him. He didn't want them to see us because it was a surprise. We was about to pop out. Like, pow. And yeah, our chance to pop out never came. Do you want to know why our chance to pop out never came? It's because the stupid DJ played the wrong version of the song. Sir, we sent you the music. You had it. You knew you was wrong. You knew you was playing the wrong version of the song, and you let it play anyway. You let the whole thing play, and then you had the nerve to go back and play the right version after Dion completed the entire performance. And then to make matters worse, my friends, after he did that, we still, because y'all gonna pick up what we put down, but we didn't even get to do it the way it was planned, like we just, it's so upsetting. So anyway, we go off, the DJ comes up, oh my god, I'm so sorry, oh my god, I'm so sorry, it's on my fault. Duh. Who else's fault is it? It's not ours, because we sent you the music that we were supposed to be dancing to, so why you ain't play it? Why you ain't play it? Oh, you don't have a reason? Okay. So my friend went off on him. Snapped. Okay? She went in. It was funny, but it wasn't funny because, that was real bold. I was really mad. He apologized. They was like, y'all could do it again. And then somebody was like, no, because the crowd ain't gonna respect it, blah, blah. I said, who ain't gonna respect it? What? Do you know we was in the studio late night, had to work the next day early morning, and we were, ooh, y'all, and they had the nerve. So it's time to decide on who won. You know how they do it. Who wins by applause? If they clap it up, if they clap it louder for this person, that person won. So we do that. And after the first time, someone was like, trying to say it was a tie. I was like, all right, a tie, whatever. They could do it again. So they do the applause again, y'all. Clap it up for Chico. No, clap it. I don't even know the other guy's name. That's how you know that we won, even though they messed our stuff up. But they said clap it up for Luther, whoever he was. Woo, yeah, whoa, yeah. I just don't remember his name. No disrespect. I just have a terrible memory. But woo. So then they said clap it up for Chico. It was a whole entire chant, my guy. Literally loud applause, screaming, stomping, banging on the tables. Chico, 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 Chico. And they still said it was a tie. I said, I ain't never coming back here for Nathan. Okay? Because that made me so mad. A tie. Wasn't nobody chanting old boy's name. And that's how you know wasn't nobody chanting his name. Because I don't remember it. So I was mad. But you know what? Shout out to Dion for being a good sport. Shout out to my dance friends for being good sports. I'm a good sport too, because I didn't do anything about that in that situation. I'm just talking to you guys about it, and at the end of the day, I feel like we were gypped. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm going to get copyrighted, especially because we danced to Michael Jackson's Remember the Time, but that doesn't really matter. I just want y'all to see the dance. Hope y'all like it. I'm really kind of if this wig was a real, okay, so let me tell y'all about the outfits. These wigs came from the a costume store, and they were $16, as you can kind of tell. And then the bras were, Dion made the bras, he just put some rhinestones on them. And what else did we wear? We wore little headbands that were also just made out of some sequin ribbon Deja sewed it up. Headband, armband, same deal. Oh, Dion also, he put like little mirrors in the middle of the bra, like in a little dangly thing. They were really cute. I'm gonna have to insert our pictures as well. But yeah, so sad that we didn't get to do our thing. So we did our thing on the outside of the club, in the street. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see at the end. Yay! Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah.
Come on. They was about to cut up. Hey, babies. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I can't do that part. What?
Hey.
My weave is. You gotta do my dancer. Well, hey, look. Here we go.
Okay. Okay.
New part. Walk around.
Hey, girls. Okay.
Dance straight.
Y'all about to cut up.